Nowadays people have become very health conscious. Nobody wants to eat any processed food. So today I'll show you a healthy 3-in-1 recipe. Watch the video till the end because you are going to be surprised. So the first recipe is Paddu, also known as Appe. Come on, let's try the recipe. Today I am sharing a super versatile 3-in-1 recipe. With just one batter, you can make Paddu, Idli and Cheela. Healthy, colorful and perfect for breakfast, snacks or tiffin. Let's see the ingredients. 1 cup curd, half cup rava, half cup jowar flour, 2 medium onions finely chopped, 1 medium carrot finely chopped, 1/4 cup curry leaves chopped, 3 green chilies, 10 black peppercorns crushed, 1 sachet of eno, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, a few ajwain leaves, this is optional, half capsicum finely chopped, 1/4 cup coriander leaves, 2 small tomatoes finely chopped, 2 tablespoons grated ginger. And for tempering, oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon chana dal and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Oil or ghee for cooking. In a mixing bowl, add rava, jowar flour and curd. It's the secret to soft idlis, fluffy paddu and tasty cheela. Mix well to form a smooth batter. This is such a time saver. One batter and you can make breakfast for the whole family without any fuss. Cover the bowl with a lid and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid and add chopped carrot, onion, capsicum, chopped ajwain leaves, chopped tomato, grated ginger, chopped coriander leaves along with little pepper powder and salt. Mix everything nicely to make a colorful and flavorful batter. Look at these colors coming together. Feels like a veggie party in a ball and I am the DJ mixing it up. Healthy, colorful and so simple, almost like nature painted our breakfast. In a small pan, heat a little oil, add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Next add cumin seeds and let them crackle. Then add chana dal and some freshly chopped curry leaves. Give it a quick stir until everything turns aromatic. Now pour this flavorful tempering into the batter and mix it well. Make sure to mix everything well. We want every bite to be tasty. Now it's the time to make our batter light and fluffy. Add the eno to the batter. Pour in 2 tablespoons of water on top. Watch as it starts to fizz and bubble. That's the magic happening. This is what will make our paddu, idli and cheela soft and airy. And just like that, our 3-in-1 batter is ready. Time to start cooking. Heat your paddu, paniyaram or appe pan on medium heat. Add a little ghee into each indentation. Sprinkle in some sesame seeds for that extra crunch and flavor. Now take a tablespoon of batter and drop it carefully into each indentation, just enough to fill it nicely. Oh, just look at these little batter mounds sitting perfectly, ready to turn into soft and golden paddu. Cover the pan and let the paddus cook on medium heat. After a minute or two, open the lid and check the edges. They should start turning a beautiful golden brown. Cover again and let them cook for a little longer. Once the bottom is nicely browned, use a spoon or a skewer to flip the paddus carefully and cook the opposite side until it turns golden brown too. To check if they are perfectly cooked, insert a toothpick into one. It should come out clean. And there you have it, soft, fluffy and golden paddu ready to enjoy. Just look at these golden little paddus. So light and airy. Just look at the texture. Kids absolutely love this for breakfast or in their school tiffin. And honestly, who can resist these cute little bites? The second recipe is idli. With the same batter, we can also make idlis. Healthy, delicious idlis. Come on, let's try it out. Next up, let's make soft and fluffy idlis. Grease the idli molds with a little ghee so they don't stick. You can use a brush or your fingers to make sure every cavity is coated. This will help the idlis come out perfectly without sticking and give them a nice shiny finish. Spoon about 2 tablespoons of batter into each mold, just enough to fill them halfway. These little mounds are about to puff up into soft spongy idlis. Meanwhile, heat some water in the idli steamer or pan and place the idli stand carefully over it. Cover and let them steam for about 20 minutes until you start seeing lovely steam rising. Once done, switch off the heat and let the idli steam for a couple more minutes. Finally, remove the idli stand and using a sharp spoon, gently unmold each idli. Look at this soft, fluffy and perfectly cooked idlis, ready to serve with your favorite chutney or sambar. The third recipe is Thalipeeth, also known as pancakes or bhakri. Now for the third and final recipe, delicious, quick and healthy Cheela that is perfect for a breakfast, snack or even a light meal. Let's get cooking. Heat a frying pan on medium flame and add a little ghee. Use a brush to spread it evenly across the pan so the Cheela cooks perfectly and gets a nice golden finish. Take a ladle full of batter and pour it onto the pan. Spread it gently into a nice round shape. Pour little ghee on top. Cover it and let it cook until one side is golden and nicely fried. Then carefully flip it over and cook the other side until it's golden and cooked through. Look at that, soft, flavorful and golden Cheela ready to enjoy. And here we have it, Cheela, Paddu and Idli, all made from the same versatile batter. So do try this recipe. I am sure you'll like it. And if you like it, do like this video and subscribe to my channel.